So now, let's see another way to use the same element. Let's go to this idea. We want to get into a position that is called Americana. It's the American position. Why? Is the position 3 that normally we do 1, 2, 3 steps backward. Now we will change it. 1, 2, 3. We both step forward. I think it's called Americana because the milongueros saw that Fred Astaire in the movies uses this position a lot. So they call it Americana. So we will do that. We will get into the Americana. I will do it in this way so you see. 1, 2 already start to open, 3. The continuation here will be something that last class the follower did and we didn't. She crossed. Now this time we will cross. After the Americana, leaders, you will cross. Because in this way you will change your weight. You will change the system. Next step will be in cross system. The Americana is in parallel system. 2, 3. Now I change system, and I will lead my partner to step in front of me. See, she's giving me a space. And I also invade here with my right leg. In essence, it's the same element we worked before, but in a different context. After that, backward 8. 2, 3, and backward 8. Let's see from this point of view. 1, 2, 3, and backward. So focus first in getting into the Americana position. 1, in 2 I already opened for her. And then, as I need her to come in front of me, I will do a little change of weight to invade the space. Sometimes you don't need to do it, and we will see that possibility too. 1, 2, 3, and sacada, backward 8, tango cross. Let's do it slow. Focus first in the Americana. Slow down there. Change system, lead your partner a backward 8 after. Okay? Let's try.